Hope is calling. And I don't think she's calling to Mom and Dad. I think she's calling to her new friend, 3-year-old Juvie, who was just flying up high in the sky with the vulture. And that would make me feel so good if, when Hope leaves, she would leave with an older juvenile who knows the ropes better. After all, she was sweet 16 on Tuesday. 16 weeks old. Hope. Somebody to bring you food, right? That's what you need. Keep looking. Okay.